Hello guys, so today we're gonna be talking about possessive adjectives. The possessive adjectives are used to give possession to the nouns. So the family is very simple. My, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. But the possessive adjectives are adjectives. And what are adjectives? Adjectives give quality to a noun. Okay? So the adjectives, the possessive adjectives, will be always followed by a noun. Então, todos os adjetivos possessivos vão vir sempre acompanhados de um substantivo, de um noun. Então, se você for ver, a gente nunca vai ter o my sozinho, o your sozinho, o his sozinho. Ele vai estar sempre acompanhado de um noun. For example, my house, your car, his friend, her dog, its food, our teacher, your class, and their party. Lembrando que cada um desses possessive adjectives se refere a um sujeito. Então, o my se refere ao I, o your se refere ao you, o his se refere ao he, o her se refere ao she, o its se refere ao it, o our se refere ao we e o your se refere ao you plural, enquanto o their se refere ao they. Vamos repetir comigo então, depois de mim. My, your, his, her, its, our, your and their. Prestem atenção, é their, não é their. Vamos agora repetir com os substantivos, com os noun. Repeat after me. Repita depois de mim. My house, your car, his friend, her dog, its food, our teacher, your class, their party. That's it for today, guys. My name is Amanda Luisa. I was your teacher for today, and I hope you have enjoyed this class. See you next time. Bye bye.